Hello everyone, this is your friend dear Archie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going for a little extra today just to show you how you can make your party makeup look a little bit different than how normally people do party makeup and rock your party. I'll show you step by step. You don't have to buy too many products. There will be some little bit of makeup which you can have and which you can use to look really nice in the party. So let me start it. Stay tuned. Once you apply sunscreen and just apply a moisturizer, any moisturizer on your face. It's Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I'm applying primer. You can see this much I have used. This is the primer which is good for my skin. Now a lot of people might want to use foundation. I'm not gonna use that. This primer just evens out your skin. I do a lot of workouts, so that's why my skin is a little better. I don't need to hide too much my skin. I do have another primer also which is Lotus, but I don't use it that much. I use Lakme Absolute Primer. So this is my concealer, guys. This is from Color Bar. There was a initial previous way of applying concealer where we used to use it all here and make it a V section. No more. Here. Here. I'm not applying it in the middle section, but what about those who has really big dark circles? Trust me, even I have big dark circles, but my primer is quite good. Use your concealer here. So I want little bit of concealer here as well. I want a little bit of concealer here as well. If you feel there are any pores, you can use it. The little darker part. That's all. Just blending in. Initially people were applying a lot of concealer, not anymore, because otherwise your makeup becomes very cakey and it doesn't look good at all. Next, what I usually do is eyebrows. I'll make my eyebrows first. Wet n Wild. I find it very nice to hold. That's why I'm using it a lot. What I will do is, firstly, I'll put it all in the downward direction, okay? Now, I'll take from the other tip, taking this color, start filling the gaps. Well, it is very tough to, do your makeup near camera. It's more easy when you just see the mirror and do it. You can easily see the change happen just because I have filled the gaps where you don't have hairs. I'm not in favor of filling too much, but wherever you find it, like a lot of people fill it way too much, and I think it's up to you. Now I'm putting all up. From the spoolie, I'm putting all up. A little darker, which gives a nice lift to your face. I try to make it look better every single time. This is an eye primer. Makeup Forever Step 1. You need to use eye primer, otherwise your eye shadows doesn't look that nice using my hands. Small eyelashes, so I just took my mirror and I'm doing it here. So next I have eyeshadow. I have this eyeshadow as well. I find it good. You can have this by Maybelline 24K Nudes. Okay, let me open it. So I'm using this brush. Let me show you the colors. Shade. Okay, just and start. The trick to eye makeup is you have to blend it a lot of number of times. The more you blend, the more it looks good. One stroke of mascara here. In the down also. From the Nykaa, there is, can you see this golden? I'm going to use this golden today. just with my tip of the finger. I used it, you can see. So here I used it, okay, and I'm applying it on this much and applying this golden shimmery, normal shimmery. Now this is the most important step, just like a game changer. It's color bar, black color, just black 001 smoky kajal. Okay, so this is the kajal. What I'm gonna do, just gonna do the tight lining. Excuse me if I make very weird faces, but as I said, this will be a game changer because your eyes are gonna look more seductive, having more depth when you do the tight lining part. Let me do it. I'm not doing it in the lower lash, just keep in mind. Every time your makeup gets a little messed up, use your wet wipes. Keep your wet wipes handy and just remove it. So I'm removing it. Perfect. Now coming back to the track. Maybelline highlighter. When we talk about highlighter, decide whether you want this pinky highlighter or whether you want this nude highlighter. Little pinkish tone, because my overall skin tone is a little pinkish, so I go for this highlighter. But sometimes when I want to give a more nude brownish beige look, I go for this. So both of them are very nice and both of them are under 600 to 700 range, which you can use. I can use this brush. Okay, let's go. Shrug it off. Can you see immediately I started putting highlighter and immediately you can see. Go to your T-zone and do this, because this is the T-zone which gets seen all the time. So here also you can use it depending on how much neck you are revealing. I use my hands to do the perfect makeup because sometimes brushes are just not enough for me, because the tip of these brushes are extremely small and I can use it for putting it. I'll show you how to do that. Just open it, just take it and go to your inner section. Just do it in your inner section. Make sure there are no harsh lines when you are applying it, and it is all done. Okay, this is the first place where you do. Then the next place is here at the ends of your eyebrow. I'm using my hands again. I like to do it more with my hands because that gives me the desired how I want it. So I have these two eyeliners, green and black. Well, majority of times I use black eyeliner, but sometimes I do use green eyeliner as well, just to give an oomph. It's so sexy. I just love it every time I use it in the party. Everybody has seen me with this, but I think we should go for this today. Let me use this one. Let's see how it looks like. Do you like it? I just love it. Now let's go to the lips. It's Bobbi Brown lipsticks. They are very hyper pigmented. Then I have one Color Bar Diamond Shine lip gloss as well. So let me go with this Color Bar lip gloss. It has a little shine. I'll set it down. I'll show you how. Let me have a powder MAC Studio Fix. I'll just use it to make my makeup stay for long. It will remove extra shine also. Now I'm opening my hairs. You can do your black eyeliner as well. I'm going with the extra layer of mascara. I have lots of mascara, so let me just use this one. Now I do have fake lashes, but I don't use it because whenever I'm using it, somehow for some reason it doesn't just look good for my eyes and for my overall looks. In every eyeshadow there will be one white section. So this is the white section. Since I generally don't use these tips, so I will use that white because white needs your brush to be very clean. So I'm using this white. Okay, just take this white and just put it in the down of your eyebrow, below your eyebrow. See how clean your eyebrow is looking right now. Take this white one, use it under your eyebrow. Not too much, just the appropriate amount. Not just your eyebrows are lifted, but it gives a really clean eyebrow look. You darken your crease of the eyeshadows, but this will make your eyebrow pop out and it will make it look so nice. I'm all set with my makeup. I'll just apply a nice perfume. I'll be wearing some jewelry. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll come up with more makeup videos in the future, and I'm all set for the party. I think I just need to go and change my dress and go out for the party today. So I'll see you in the next week. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.